You can now generate AI avatar videos that look real like this.
Hello and welcome to this channel.
This is completely free using Google. Let me show you how. No camera, no editing skills, just type your script and Google turn it into a talking avatar. Without no wasting time, let's dive in. First, open your browser, search for Google Vids and click on the AI powered video creator. Next, sign in with your Google account and you are in. Click on AI avatar video. This is the feature we are using today. You can choose on landscape, portrait, square, depending on the type of content you want to create. Now paste in your text right here. For example, hello and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Next, select on the avatar you like. You get multiple options here, different faces, style, and so on. You can click on this preview to test it. Mind you, you'll hear the voice immediately, but the lip sync won't be perfect yet. So go ahead and click on generate. And just like that, your AI avatar video is ready with perfect lip sync.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to
You
subscribe.
can repeat this as many times as you want. Change the script, switch avatars, test different voices. You can even add multiple scenes. Once you are satisfied, click on share, then download it as MP4 or share it directly to your Google Drive. If this helped you, make sure you drop a like, and if you want more simple tools to level up your content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.
Please remember to subscribe.